Here is IAG assignment number 9. This is for Friday, April, I believe it's the 24th. If you have not done EDAY number 8 yet, you are not going to be able to do this. You have to have your numbers from number 8 in order to get number 9 finished. So it says find the total cost to paint the ceiling. It says ceiling paint is purchased by quart only. 1 quart covers approximately 80 square feet and costs $8.50 per quart. Determine how many quarts of paint would be needed to paint the ceiling 1 time. Okay, so back on assignment 8, you found the area of the ceiling in square feet on number 2. So be careful because number 1 asked for your floor in square yards, and number 2, your floor and your ceiling are the same size. So if you just copied your answer from number 1 down to number 2, you do not have the correct answer for this problem. You need to solve it in square feet. So if you looked at my sample problem, my ceiling and floor were 16 feet by 20.75 feet, which gave me a ceiling area of, let me double check my math here, 16 times 20.75. I had an area of 332 square feet for my ceiling and my floor. But remember, your floor needs to be in yards. So if I have an area of 332 feet squared, and I know that 1 quart covers approximately 80 square feet, we need to see how many quarts we need for this. So if 1 quart goes to 80 square feet, we want to know how many quarts go to our area, which in my case is 322 square feet. Okay, so you set that up like that, and then you're going to cross multiply. So 80 times x, I have to move my camera a little bit here. So you get 80x equals 332. Divide by 80. Divide by 80. Again, I hope you have a calculator available. If you do not have a calculator, please, please, please let me know. I get to access the building here pretty soon, and I will be happy, happy, happy to deliver you one. Now, if you're like me and you have some stupid scientific calculator, it doesn't do you a whole lot of good because it gives you a fraction, and in this case, you actually do want a decimal. That is important. So we're gonna pull up a regular calculator here and take 332, and we're going to divide by 80, and we're going to get 4.15. So, x equals 4.15 quarts. Well, guess what, guys? I can't buy 0.15 quarts, so I am going to need to purchase 5 quarts. So I'm going to move that because I ran out of space and wrote too big. I need to buy 5 quarts. Okay? It says the ceiling needs 2 coats of paint, which means that I am going to need 4.15 plus 4.15. 1 second. You two, I'm recording a video. You need to stop. Sorry about that. So we're going to add those up, and you get 8.3. That's important because at 8.3 quarts, I need to purchase not 10 quarts, but 9 quarts. So I need to purchase 9 quarts, and if each quart cost $8.50, I have 9 quarts times $8.50, and yes, I use the elementary school multiply. I shouldn't have. So 9 times $8.50 is going to give you $76.50. That is my cost of painting my ceiling. Okay, number 2 says find the total cost to paint the walls. Now back on assignment number 8, I'm gonna move that over here. On assignment number 8, on question 3, you found the area of all of your walls in square feet, and then you found the total area of your walls. Now notice, I subtracted out my doors, and I subtracted out my giant window. So I added those 4 together, and that is my total square footage right there for walls. So you're gonna take that and you're gonna come back over here, and it says 1 gallon covers approximately 350 square feet and costs $31.50 to purchase. Determine how many gallons of paint would be needed. So again, sorry, my hand is totally in the way. Let's move this up here. 1 gallon goes to 350 square feet. And you want to know how many gallons do you need for your total wall areas. My total wall coverage is 453.93 square feet. Again, we cross multiply, so 350x, that's that diagonal, equals, thankfully you're multiplying by 1, 453.93, divide by 350, divide by 350, and x equals 453.93 divided by 350. I need 1.296 or 1.3 gallons. So again, you can't buy a third of a gallon, so I need to buy 2 gallons. The walls only need 1 coat of paint. I am so sorry. The walls only need 1 coat of paint, so 2 gallons times the price of 50 equals 31.50 times 2, and it's going to cost me $63 to paint my walls. Okay, number 3, we're looking to put a border around the top of the wall. That is where you are going to need, number 4, from assignment number 8, you're going to need the perimeter of your ceiling. It says border costs $9.75 per roll. 1 roll covers 25 linear feet. How many rolls of border do you need? So again, you're gonna take your perimeter. So 1 roll, 25 feet. And then you wanna know how many rolls do you need for whatever the perimeter of your room is. Again, my room is 73.5 feet. So you cross multiply, you get 25x is equal to whatever your perimeter is. Divide by 25, divide by 25. Mine should be approximately 3, just shy of that. So 73.5 divided by 25, 2.94. So again, 2.94 is my answer, but you cannot purchase 0.94 of a roll, so I need to buy 3 rolls. The cost to hang the border is $5 per roll. So we need to figure out, even though it doesn't say it here, 1, what do we have to pay? So we're going to pay for 3 rolls at $9.75, and we are going to pay 3 rolls times $5. So this is the cost to buy, this is the cost to hang. So $9.75 times 3 rolls is going to equal, sorry, I didn't leave myself much space here, $29.25. My cost to hang is going to be $15. So $29.25 for me, plus $15 to hang. It's gonna cost me $44. My total cost on the border is going to be $44.25. Okay, so what have we learned? Having a big bedroom makes this more expensive. That's what we've learned. All right, number 4, we have how many square yards is the floor? That is your answer to assignment number 1, or assignment number 8, question number 1. In mine, it was 36.89 yards. And then it says carpeting costs $17.99 per square yard. So again, set up your ratio. 1 yard is $17.99. I have, oops, this one's actually different. I actually know my yards this time. So we have 36.89 yards, and we want to know the dollar amount. So you're going to cross multiply. This one is going to be different. You are just simply going to be X equals your square yards of your floor times the cost. I apologize, I don't know why I'm using the elementary multiplication symbol. But your area times $17.99, and you're gonna get pretty expensive. Carpet's not cheap, guys. It's going to cost me $663.65. It says padding cost $5.25 per square yard. So $5.25 times the area of your floor, because padding goes under all of your carpet. So 36.89 times $5.25. My padding is going to cost me $193.67. Installation costs me $7 per square yard. So again, that area times $7. So to install, they're going to charge me $258.23. So I've now walked you through the entire assignment using my numbers. Obviously, you have to change out my bedroom specifics to your bedroom specifics, but you should be able then to simply plug in those numbers into what I've created here and give yourself a pretty easy to follow process for getting a 100 on assignment 9. Let me know if you have questions.